In this video, we are going to check out which win rate we have today and if you are making money. And also, I will in this video explain for you how you're going to take the signals so you get the same results that we are seeing. I have not made a video like this since a few days ago because I can't be making videos like this every single day. It will be boring, so I do once in a while. So I will do some videos like this, and there will be some videos how to be trading for beginners, and I take to advanced later. I'm also, like I said before, I'm planning to add on this application here training videos later on. But I'm sure you came here for check which results we got, and I will get to it. But before we do that, link below the video for this application so you can get started today and you can start to copy trades also. Now let's get to it. So I think I give the results in the end, and we can go to how to trade first. Let's do like that. So let's take a look here now. So basically what you're doing, let's take one pair here now. Let's take this one that is active. So basically you are going to, let's say you take 0.01 lot trade, okay? Then you will need to add 3 of them. So open 3 trades right away. That is the most easy. You can also take 0.03, but then you need to calculate. This can be difficult if you take a different type of lot size, so don't do that. So just open 3 the same lot size, okay? So then you set 1, we take profit to this level here. You set 1 to take profit to this level here, and you take 1 to this, and all of them have this stop loss, okay? Easy, done. Then you can just wait. When you then get this, also there are tools that you can use, but let's say you don't have these tools, you are doing everything manually, okay? So when you reach this take profit here, okay, then you move your stop loss to break even on, because this one is closed then, right? So this one that have the take profit 2, that is the second trade, this one is closed, done, you made profit, secured profit. Then for this trade and this trade, you move your stop loss to the break-even point, okay? So then let's say you trade, go to break-even, then this and this you will make no money. They will be like in zero, but you made profit from the first, you're done, okay? But let's say now you did hit this take profit, then you do the same, okay? Then on the last trade, that is this one here, you move your stop loss again, but then move it to this point here to take profit 1. Then in the last trade, you are secured profit on that trade also. Then the worst case scenario, you will get this level here. So that is how you're trading, okay? So it's very easy, and now you wonder, is this profitable? Yes, it is. Also, before we get to that, I will show you the trades, how we done today. But if you want to do all this automatically, get all these trades, these things I explained for you now, everything done automatically, well, here you can get this robot completely for free. Just follow the information that says here. Very easy, and you can get this robot today, and you can put it on your own computer or in the cloud. I think it costs like $5 a month, and you can run this robot automatically for you. But like I said, you can do this manually, take the trades you see here, and you make money from that, okay? Now let's check the trades. Let me see, I think I need to turn on this, yes. So now let's go over to here. So here you can see the trades that have been taken today. Quite a few that have been taken. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 trades today with the robots, and today all winners. Of course, don't expect to win every single trade. You see the pairs that you're trading is the ones you see here, okay? So this is basically what the robot is doing, is buying, selling, and do everything automatically for you. So like I said, this is easy. If you are running the robot, you get exactly the same result you're seeing on my screen here now. But if you do it manually, probably you are not able to take all the trades. You see here says volume 0.03. That's because the robot take, like I said in the first example, but then he's calculating automatically, so he removes. So here you see, for example, how it looks like because he is closing trades and things like this, right? So the robot do this automatically for you. But like I said, it's easy for you to just take 0.01 trades, because then he will automatically, then you automatically will have the correct for each trade, so you don't need to calculate and things like this. So, but the robot here, like I said, he do this for you. So it's an advantage if you can have your computer on, or if you have $5 to put this service that you can put this in a robot, and you don't need to have it on your own computer, it's in the cloud. That is the easiest, of course, but just follow what you see in the site. If this is an option for you, then do. But like I said, you can do it manually also. It works completely fine. Okay, so that's it for this video. I really hope you like it. If you like this application, I would appreciate if you give a good review. That, of course, just if you like it. Also, make sure you turn the bell notification on. I am a person that is teaching people how to trade Forex. I've been trading Forex myself for more than 20 years. Also, I love robots that do things for me, as you can see here. So if you're into that type of videos where I'm testing, where I'm showing results and things like this, if you like this type of videos, make sure also you turn the bell notification on so you don't lose one video just like this. And if you have any question, just put it in the comment. If you're using the robot, then let me know, because a couple of you have already got it. Also, if you are following the signals, you have downloaded the application or installed, whatever you want to call it. This is only for Android for now. I have not made for iPhone, but iPhone is coming later. So let me know in the comments, and I would love to get the reply for you. Have an amazing day.